Γεια σε όλους. Hello and welcome. My name is Menelaos Raptis and I'm thrilled to be your local lead for the upcoming Space Apps event in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I'm from Greece, and as a local lead and a former participant, I'm deeply passionate about space exploration and the incredible potential it holds for our future. Today, I want to share with you some invaluable tips and tricks that will empower you during the hackathon and enrich your Space Apps experience. One of the most crucial skills you can bring to the hackathon is creativity. Embrace your imagination and think outside the box when tackling challenges. Innovative ideas have the power to make a lasting impact. Moreover, when forming teams, diversity in skills and perspectives is key. Seek out individuals with different strengths to create a dynamic and well-rounded group. Collaborate with people from various backgrounds, as diverse teams often lead to exceptional solutions. When submitting your project, pay attention to detail. Ensure your solution addresses the challenge requirements and is well presented. A clear and concise presentation can make a world of difference in conveying your ideas effectively. Also, take advantage of the free and open data provided by NASA and space agency partners. This wealth of information is a valuable resource that can inspire innovative solutions to real-world problems. In the days leading up to the hackathon, immerse yourself in research and preparation. Stay curious, explore potential ideas, and gather the tools you need to hit the ground running. Stay focused, but don't forget to have fun. Embrace the collaborative atmosphere, support your teammates, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, great achievements are born from shared efforts.